Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is my dog. This is his name is Max. This is German Shepherd.
आजा
So actually I am out of my house, and this is a playground that is back side of my home, and I am playing with my dogs every evening. So he just playing.
आजा इधर ये ले
He only play with the ball or anything that I had to throw.
ये ले
So he pick up everything that I have throw from my side, like a ball or any other thing that I have throw. Like this is a plate I found there,
ये ले
and now we'll play with this. I will throw it and he will pick
ये
up.
रही आजा
He play like that every day.
ये ले
So this playing is very good for his health, because playing is a sports, this is like a sports for it. So it is playing very well every day, and that make it healthy. And I play with my dog every day in the evening and the morning also. So he enjoyed very well, and actually he's focused on its.
ले आ चक उसको चक मैक्स ले गया इधर ले गया
So now I will get this cassette, and then now I will show you that he will be jump from the wall. Okay, there is a wall that is border on this playground, and when I will throw this cassette from the outside of my ground, then he will go there and he will jump from the wall.
ये
I will show you.
ये
Okay, so was there. He running and breathing very high, and every day he is running. So now I will tell you.
कान कैसे हो गए तेरे
Actually he
हैं
like to
Action.
stay in the greenery. There is a very cold place. He like to stand in there. Max. So its name is Max. We call it Max, and now it's a 3-year-old. And now we'll play with this disc. Okay, now I will throw it from the outside of my ground. So you will see that he will jump from this wall. Look at this wall. He will jump from this. Yeah, that's nice. He will jump from this wall. I also will jump from that, and I will go outside of the ground, and I will throw that disc from there, and then again throw into the garden. So we'll see. He will jump now there outside of the ground. The wall will be look like very height, because in within the ground there is a soil on there. So from there the wall is, look at this, wall will be very great height. Look at this. He again jump from this. So look, this wall is very height from there, and but when we will see
Yeah,
from the ground, it will
Aja.
decrease from the height. Look at there. He again, actually my motive is not to show you the ground, show you that he jumped from the wall. Actually I will capture another video. On that we will see that he will jump from the wall. I will show you very clearly that he will jump from the wall, and I'll try to increase the height to get there from the another wall, so that I will show you that he will clearly jump from the wall. And I will show you the trick also, that how to dog jump from the wall.
Oh,
Okay, so in this next video I will show you, I will create a new video that on that especially my dog will be jump from the walls. Okay my friends, so bye.